Welcome to our video on home security. Keeping your home and family safe is a top priority, and in this video, we'll be discussing the steps you can take to protect your home from burglaries and other threats. One of the first steps in securing your home is to make sure that your doors and windows are properly locked. Invest in good quality locks that are difficult to pick or break. This will make it more difficult for burglars to gain entry to your home. Another important step in securing your home is to install a security alarm system. A good alarm system can alert you to any intruders and also alert the police. It can also serve as a deterrent for burglars. Outdoor security cameras can be an effective tool in deterring burglars and catching them in the act. They can also provide footage that can be used as evidence in court. Proper lighting can also be an effective deterrent for burglars. By installing motion sensor lights or leaving lights on when you're away, you can make it more difficult for burglars to approach your home unnoticed. It's also important to have a plan in place in case of a break-in or other emergency. This should include knowing how to safely exit your home, where to meet up with your family, and how to contact the police. It's also a good idea to practice home safety drills with your family. Getting involved in your community can provide added protection for your home. Joining a neighborhood watch program can help you stay informed about any suspicious activity in your area and to work together with your neighbors to keep your community safe. In conclusion, keeping your home and family safe is a top priority. By installing good quality locks, a security alarm system, outdoor security cameras, and proper lighting, you can make it more difficult for burglars to break in. Additionally, having a plan in place, practicing home safety drills, and getting involved in your community can provide added protection and peace of mind. Remember, the most important thing is to take action and be proactive in securing your home. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more about home security, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.